students, we're on 6-7, problem of the day. Maxo is teaching a special science class with 24 students. More than 2/3, but less than 3/4 of the class earned an A on the first quiz of the year. How many students earned an A? Press pause and see if you can figure this out. Okay, so we have 24 students, and we know that more than 2/3, but less than 3/4 earned an A on the quiz. So let's find out what 2/3 of 24 is, and let's also find out what 3/4 of 24 is, and let's see if we can find a number that's in between. So I know that of means multiply, which is why I made 2 multiply problems, and I know that when I multiply fractions, I have to have a numerator over denominator and a numerator over denominator, so I'm going to put those both over 1. I could multiply straight across. I could also cross cancel before I do that to make my multiplication easier. And I think I'll do that because I see that the 3 and the 24, I can divide something evenly in between them. 3 and 24, 8 times 3 is 24. So I can divide both of these by 3 and get a smaller number. And that would get me 16 over 1. 8 times 2 is 16. On this one, I can cross cancel the 4 and the 24. I know that if I divided these both by 4, this would be 1, and this would be 6. And so this is 16. And 3 times 6 equals 18 over 1, or just 18. So 2/3 of the class would be 16 students, and 3/4 of the class would be 18 students. And I know that it had to be more than this number, and less than this number, which means it must be the number in between, which is 17.